guys for subscribing and supporting my channel. So it's morning now, but I don't know if it's gonna be morning when you guys see this. I want to do something different. So today I want to do a video that's half skincare and half makeup. So first half of the video, we're gonna use both of these Sephora's masks, one on each side of the face, and then I'm gonna let you know my thoughts about it. And then the other half of the video, I promise you guys a closer look, but we're gonna use the Juvia's Zulu palette. I know I said I was gonna use the crayon case, but I decided to use the Juvia's because it's more accessible. You can get this at Juvia's, you can get this at Ulta, where the crayon, the box of crayons, you can only get it on the website. And I think more people would probably have this. It's smaller, it's easier to get. So if you were going to purchase something, I would recommend purchasing this one because it's small, it's cheaper, and it's easier to get. But so we're gonna go ahead and get into the first half of this video, which is going to be our skincare. Yay! So I'm gonna do half and half of the recently purchased banana mask and the oat mask. Now on the back, the banana mask says it intensely nourishes and relieves tightness for skin that is feeling more comfortable and revitalized. So it says it relieves tightening and revitalize. We're about to see. Now these have not been in the skincare fridge, unfortunately. I did not put them in the skincare fridge because I didn't know if I didn't know I was gonna open them and film this video today because I have some mask in there that I was trying to get through. But that's okay. We're gonna go ahead and do this. And the oat mask, let's just do some. These can be purchased on Sephora for $7. The oat mask says it smooths, hydrates the skin intensely, and instantly feel more supple, like repair. So this one said smooths and hydrate. This one said intensely nourishes. We're gonna get into these and we're gonna do half a face. And I'm gonna let you guys know. I think the banana mask is the cream mask, and then the oat mask is the oat Mussolini or something. Can you guys read that? So, and then this one is a cream mask. Okay, so that's what they say. I'm gonna go ahead and start the banana mask, and we're gonna apply that on this half of the face. Oh, look at how that comes out. What skincare are you guys enjoy right now? Do you have it? This actually feels kind of cool. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my goodness, it smells like freaking banana pudding. Is there any mask or any skincare that you guys are currently enjoying right now? It feels so smooth. I mean, it does feel like it could be nourishing. Look at me, the muscle. It does feel like it definitely could be nourishing. I don't want to take too long. I kind of want to, it is like really creamy, so I don't want to take too long doing this because my videos be long sometimes because I just be doing the most on these daggone steps. So let's just get this up here. I mean, it feels really good to the skin. It feels cool even though it hasn't been into the skincare fridge. I mean, it smells, oh man, it smells so delicious. I could eat this. I mean, I wouldn't, but hey, I could. It smells great. Okay, so let me see if I can get into the oat mask. Okay, finally got that open. So let's take the oat mask out. I'm going to use the other side of this, even though some of that banana is over there. This oat mask is definitely visibly more thicker, and you can see some of the oat in there. Now it smells like oat, but not like oatmeal. Oh man, it's definitely thicker. It's not like oatmeal. It doesn't smell like something I want to eat. You know, people like to bathe in oatmeal and soak in oatmeal. So oatmeal is good for your skin. I would have figured that banana would have been for brightening because I know Ula here is and some of the other brands, they got like some banana brightening cream. So I would have honestly thought that banana mask would have been for brightening. But it says it's for nourishing it. I suppose it could be nourishing. But this oatmeal mask, it feels cool to the skin as well. even though neither one of these have been in the skincare fridge. I like both of these masks, the application of them. They feel good. They definitely got some different textures than I have chosen, you know, for masks that I haven't used before. But Sephora, I think they did a great job making these $7 masks. I love the hemp one that I got. So, you know, I feel like Sephora did a good job at putting these products together. You know, you can get you some cheap skincare. And on the bottle, it says you can only get 5 uses out of them. But I'm telling you, I get more than 5 uses out of mine. All right, so we're going to let these sit for 5 minutes. And then we're going to wash them off. Okay, I got my face all washed off. But let me go ahead and give you guys my final thoughts on these 2 products. Now, I did feel a more tingling sensation on the oat side. Now, I felt a slight tingling sensation on the banana side, but not as intense as it was on the oat side. I will say this, the oat side feels more tighter. You know how you clean your face or you put on a mask and your face feels tight? This side feels more tight. This side feels really less tight, really relaxed. So my thoughts on the products, I think they're both a great products. I don't think you can go wrong with either one of those products. Just pick whichever one of them you want and just go with it. All right, you guys. So let's go on to the makeup section of the video. Now, I already attempted to do my brows today, and I already did my brows, and I set my I primed my eyelid with the with my concealer, so that you guys didn't have to sit through all of that. Right now I'm going to moisturize because I forgot to moisturize, but I wanted to show you my skin, you know, fresh out of those masks. So right now I'm going to moisturize because I am going to do my full face, but I'm just not going to do it all on camera today. We're just going to do the eye look on camera and then come back with the full face. All right, we're good and moisturized. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go in the Zulu palette. We're gonna pick the colors that we're gonna use today. You know, I wish I could hold a poll and let you guys choose what colors that y'all would like to use today. But since I could not, I'm gonna only use 3 colors because I'm gonna try to keep it simple. But I might end up using 4. I might use a different color under my lash line. But the 3 colors we're gonna use this yellow. We're gonna use this orange. And then we're going to use this pink. And I feel like yellow, orange, and pinks are colors that go together. When you're putting your colors together, you want to use colors that will go together on the rainbow wheel, on the spectrum wheel, like when you learned your colors. And that's how you can put your colors together. Because if you put colors together that don't really go together, then your eye look is going to look muddy. And we don't want that. So first I'm going to take a fluffy blending brush into this yellow. And we're just going to go. Yeah, I might need a mirror for this, but I'm going to try to do this in the camera. I think I'm going to need a mirror. Because, you know, I don't want to jack up my eye look or people watching. So I'm just going to take this up here above my crease zone a little bit. Because we want this yellow to like stick up there and just pop out. So we're just going to take this and just blend this out. Now, Juvia's Place formula is great. So this yellow is pigmented and it blends like a dream. You're not going to have to put in a lot of effort into this palette, which is why this was a good palette to choose, because it's easy to work with, especially for beginners. If this is your first time doing color, I would definitely go with a Juvia's palette. from a yellow to an orange, but we're going to keep that same brush. And then we're going to take that orange into that crease zone, but below that yellow. That other eye, we're gonna do it one eye, and then we're gonna do the same thing to the other eye. Okay, you guys, what I'm doing here is I'm looking for the perfect brush, because we're going to do a cut crease for that pink color. So we're going to cut that crease with some concealer, and then we're going to add that matte pink on top of it. For you guys, because I want it to be a tutorial that you can follow along with. But now I'm just taking that matte pink shade in the Zulu palette, and I'm going to be packing that on, and it's going to take a little bit of time to get that color on both eyes. But I want you guys to see in real time what it takes to create these looks. So I don't want to cut you guys short, and I also want this to be something that I could be proud of. So I want it to be a full tutorial of the eyeshadow look. eyeshadow on, and I went back in there and I deepened the crease with that orange so that orange could pop, and I kind of blended a little bit with the pink. So that's the motions that you can see that I'm doing right now. Because I decided to add the music to the video, you guys couldn't hear me talking, but right now I'm just telling you guys that I'm going to add another color to this look to make it pop. I'm going to add a blue to the outer edges of this look. It's going to be that turquoise looking blue in the Zulu palette. And you're going to see this look is going to come out so super cute. Right now I'm just looking for the perfect size fluffy brush. I used a fluffy brush I think throughout this whole video. I think I used a flat shader brush only to cut my crease. I took a different brush and I went back into that yellow and I just added some more color to that yellow to just make it pop, and that's what I'm doing. I am back with the final look. What do you guys think? So I'm just gonna tell you guys what I did off camera. Only thing I did with the palette, with the eyeshadow, was I brought this the blue down. I don't think these don't have colors, but I brought this turquoise down here halfway, and also took that pink from this side halfway. I did a full face. We have on highlight, bronzer, and blush. I did ombre my lips a little bit, but I didn't want to put too much color on my lips because I wanted my lips to be a nice accessory to the show. I want my eye look to be the start of this show. So we just went it out and just did it like this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, enjoyed this tutorial, but we're cute. If you try this, let me know. Take some pictures down below. I hope this was a beginner friendly, colorful tutorial for you guys. Thank you.